Welcome to your tour of 2306 Bristol Avenue in State College.
This three-bedroom home has been updated throughout, including modern bathrooms, striking flooring, and custom countertops.
Enjoy gathering in a multitude of spaces, whether it be around the cozy fireplace, outside on the covered deck, or downstairs in the finished basement.
This cul-de-sac location offers a peaceful setting minutes to Penn State University, parks, recreation, and shopping.
To schedule your tour of this lovely home, contact a member of the Cali, Barter, Hoover team at RE/MAX Center Realty.